వచ్చేసరి పెన్ను కూడా పెట్టించిన.
Good morning to everyone. Yesterday we discussed about the numbers between 10 and 200 which are divisible by 5. That means first number is 15. In between 10 and 200, you should take in between the numbers. 15, 20 also divisible by 5 and 25 and so on. So last number is 195. Do not take 200. So A is equal to 15, D is equal to 20 minus 15, that is equal to 5, and last term L or AN is 195. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, that is equal to 15 plus N minus 1 into D means 5. Okay, AN means last term, what that means 195. 195 minus 15 is equal to N minus 1 into 5. 180 is equal to N minus 1 into 5. That means N minus 1 into 5 is equal to 180. N minus 1 is equal to 180 by 5. That is equal to 5 3 5 6 36. N minus 1 is equal to 36 and N is equal to 36 plus 1. N is equal to 37. So it will be 37 terms in between 10 and 200 which are divisible by 5. In the exercise you are having one problem. Ravi got Ravi got 5,000 rupees salary first month and yearly he got ₹200 more per month. That means when will he got 7,000 rupees salary? The problem is first month salary 5,000, second month 5,200, third month 5,300, 5,400, next month 5,600. So the series is in arithmetic progression. Here AN is equal to 7,000 rupees and A is equal to 5,000, D is equal to 5,200 minus 5,000, that will be 200. So common difference is 200. So formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into T. AN means 7,000 is equal to A means 5,000 plus N minus 1 into 200. So take 5,000 left hand side, that means transpose 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to n minus 1 into 200. So 2000. That is equal to n minus 1 into 200. So n minus 1 into 200 is equal to 2000. N minus 1 is equal to 2000 by 200. 0, 2 zeros cancel. 2 1 ja, 2 10 ja. So n minus 1 is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 plus 1. That is equal to 11. After 11 months, that means 11th month, you will get 7,000 rupees. 11th month, you will get 7,000 rupees salary. So, when we got 5,000 rupees, that means his first salary is 5,000 rupees. He is getting every month 200 rupees increment. When will it become 7,000? Means, that means 11th month, you will get 7,000 rupees. Okay. Next, in the exercise, you are having a problem. That means third term and fifth term are fifth terms. Third term and fifth terms are 6 and 10. Next, 6th and 8th terms are 12 and 16. This series is the very important question. You will get 4 marks from this question. So third term of AP, A3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to 6. Next, fifth term, A plus 4D is equal to 10. Let this one is first equation and this will be second equation. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. These are equation. That means subtract it. Second equation from first. Subtract. So minus, all signs will be same, change. Minus A plus A cancel. Minus 2D, because big number sign is minus. 4 minus 2 is 2, that is equal to minus 4. Minus cancel. 2D is equal to 4. D is equal to 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Substitute D is equal to 2 in first equation. A plus 2D is equal to 6. A plus
ఏమి
మధ్యలో అట్లా వచ్చింది
వస్తారా నీళ్ళే ఎట్లా వచ్చింది అది దీన్ని టచ్ చేసింది
పెన్నునే టచ్ చేసి
పెన్ను టచ్ కాకుండా ఇట్లా రాయింది సార్ ఇప్పుడేమండి వస్తా ఇట్లా అట్లా వచ్చింది కదా ఇమ్మీడియట్గా ఏం చేస్తుంది దాన్ని స్లైడ్ ఇట్లా పెట్టేసుకుని అంతే ఎంటర్ కొడితే అయిపోయా.
ఇంకా ఉంది అది.
అదే ఇట్లా షిఫ్ట్ పట్టుకుని F5 అంతే.
ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ మనం మాట్లాడింది ఇవన్నీ రికార్డ్ ఉంటాయి కదా.
మీకు చెప్పండి కంటిన్యూ ఏం కాదు.
వెళ్ళిపోయారు స్లైడ్.
ఆడిపోయా నువ్వేం చెప్పినా ఎంటర్ కొట్టుకో స్లైడ్ నెక్స్ట్ అంతే. స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు అయిపోతానికి ఎంటర్ కొట్టాను సార్.
ఇంతకు ముందు సార్ మనం మధ్యలో ఉంది ప్రాబ్లం.
ఇంకా దాన్ని కూడా ఇట్లా ఇక్కడ రైట్ క్లిక్ ఇస్తే ప్రీవియస్ చాలా ముందరకు వచ్చినాం కాబట్టి ఉందా చెప్పండి.
So a plus 2 into 2 is equal to 6, a plus 4 is equal to 6, a is equal to 6 minus 4, a is equal to 2. So we found a is equal to 2 and d is equal to 2. Then series is a plus d, 4, a plus 2d, 2 plus 2 into 2, 6, and so on. This is the series. Next, the difference between hundredth terms of two series is 100. What is the difference between 1000th terms? So first let one series be a plus d, a plus 2d and so on. So 100th term, a100 is equal to a plus 99d. Okay. Next, take another series b comma b plus d comma b plus 2d and so on. So what is the 100th terms? 100th term is a plus 99d. So difference is given 100. So b plus a plus 99d minus b plus 99d is equal to 100. It is given. A plus 99d minus b minus 99d, because minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus is equal to 100. It is given 99d, 99d cancel. A minus b value is 100. We have to find 100 difference between the thousandth terms. What will be the thousand terms of first series? A thousand is equal to a plus 999d. One value will be reduced. Similarly, second one, what is the 100th term? A thousand is equal to 8,000. That means term, nth term, that means thousandth term. Both are a thousand. So b, first term is b, second series. This is also 999d, b plus 999d. Okay, difference. A plus 999d minus bracket b plus 999d. What will be? A plus 999d minus b minus into plus minus b minus into plus minus 999d. So 999d cancel. Then a minus b, you will get a minus b. What is the value of a minus b? Here you got a minus b is equal to 100. So you keep. So difference between 100 terms also 100, given that one, and difference between thousandth term also 100. Next, Rani got ₹1,000 for her first birthday. She gave. That means her mother given ₹1,000. She put it in kiddie bank for her daughter. Then for every birthday she saved ₹500. That means for Rani got ₹1,000 for her first birthday. For second birthday, next 1,500. Next third year, that means ₹2,000. How much he got? Total amount for her 21st birthday. So in previous classes we discussed about what is the term of 21st term, but here we need total amount, how much he got. So A is equal to 1,000 and D is equal to 1,500 minus 1,000, that is equal to 500. Sum of n terms form n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. S 21 by 2 into 2 into 1,000 plus 21 minus 1 into d means 500. That is equal to 21 by 2 into 2,000 plus 20 into 500. That is equal to 21 by 2 to 2,000 plus 2 into 5, 10, 3 zeros. 21 by 2 into 12,000. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 3 zeros. 6 into 21, 1 lakh 26,000 rupees. So 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 1 2 6,000. That means for her 21st birthday she will get 1,26,000 rupees. Okay, so now we are discussing about sum of n terms. The mathematician Archimedes given a formula. The numbers are in natural numbers 1 2 3 4 and so on. Sum of n terms formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. We already discussed about in first class. So but Archimedes given a complete formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Suppose if you want to add 4 3 2 1, how much? 7 10. So simply we keep number of terms S4 into 4 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 4 into 5 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, that is equal to 10. So it is easy to do like this 10. So it is very easy to find for minimum numbers. Suppose how much for 750 terms. So then it will be tough. So now 750 terms, if you add 750 into 750 plus 1, 751 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 7 ja, 2 5 ja. So 751 into 375. 751 into 375. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 5 5 ja 25, 5 7 ja 35 37, 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35, 7 7 ja 49 52. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 3 7 ja 21 22. So 5 12 15, 16 11 8 2,81,625. So this is the sum of n natural numbers. Archimedes given a formula, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. For squares, Aryabhat given a formula, squares. Suppose the natural numbers having 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and 4 square. So sum of n natural numbers, he also given a formula, Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So if you want to check it, 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 9 plus 1, 10. So 16 plus 4, 20, 9 plus 1, 20. 20, 20 is 40. Simply, fourth term as 4. 4 into 4 plus 1 into 2 into 4 plus 1 by 6. That is equal to 4 into 5 into 2 4 just 8, 8 plus 1, 9 by 6. 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. 5 2 ja 10, 10 3 ja 30. 16 plus 1, 16 plus 4 20, 9 plus 1, sorry, 9 plus 1 10. So we will get here also 30. Okay. So it is easy for limited number of terms. So we can find using this formula 25. So next, Aryabhat also given for cubes, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, this series. Then sum of n terms formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Suppose if you want to add 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 3 terms or 4 cube, 4 terms. Suppose if you take 1 cube 1, 2 cube means 8, 3 cube means 27, 27 plus 1, 28, 28 plus 8, 36. So total is 36. So simply using the formula S3 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2 whole square. 3 into 4 by 2 whole square. That is equal to 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. 3 2 ja 6. 6 square is 36. Suppose the series is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube, 10 cube. So it is not easy doing like this. So we simply extend 10 into 10 plus 1, 11 by 2 whole square. 2 1 ja 2 5. 55 whole square. 55 square means 3025. Okay. Bye students. Stop recording.
ഞാനും ഓപ്പൺ വെച്ചു.
ఎట్లా స్టాప్ అవుతుంది?
నీట్.